We are pleased to show you the 2010 Challenger. This vehicle is powered by a rear-wheel drive, 8-cylinder, 5.7-liter engine. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear spoiler, traction control, stability control, front suspension type, strut, fog lights, braking assist. Inside you'll find cruise control, power steering, tachometer, airbags, passenger, occupant sensing deactivation, one-touch windows, 2 cargo area light. Rated most appealing midsize sports car by J.D. Power and Associates, the Dodge Challenger delivers on style and performance. It's powerful, practical, and efficient. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.